Today I'm trying out the cooking gift set company bamboo steamer gift set to make homemade dumplings completely from scratch. Start by making the dumpling dough with 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and 2/3 cup boiling water. Mix with a fork until the dough becomes shaggy. Then continue mixing by hand until all the loose flour is pressed together into a ball. Transfer the dough to a clean surface and knead for about 5 minutes. The dough should become smooth and stretchy, almost like soft modeling clay. Place the dough into a plastic bag, seal it well, and let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour before using. Now it's time to make the filling. I'm using chopped mushrooms, cabbage mix, garlic, and fresh ginger. Cook the filling until lightly softened so all the flavors can come together. You can customize it with soy sauce, red wine, herbs, spices, or any flavors you love. Then set the filling aside. After the dough has rested for an hour, divide it in half and keep the other half sealed in a bag so it doesn't dry out. On a clean surface, roll the dough into a 14-inch log using the ruler guide included in the gift set. Cut it into 14 equal pieces and keep them covered with a damp towel while you work. One at a time, flatten each piece with the heel of your palm and roll it out with the dough roller until it's paper thin and about 4 inches wide. Pick up and rotate the dough often to keep it from sticking. This is my first time making dumplings, and the instructions and tools in this kit make the process really easy to follow. To assemble the dumplings, place 1 heaping tablespoon of filling into the center of each wrapper. Using your thumbs and index fingers, pleat and pinch the edges repeatedly to form a sealed satchel shape. Then pinch and twist the top closed. Place the finished dumplings into the parchment-lined bamboo steamer until you're ready to cook them. To steam the dumplings, place the bamboo steamer into a skillet or sauté pan larger than 8 inches and fill it about 1 inch of water. Steam each batch over boiling water for 10 minutes. Just make sure to keep an eye on the pan so the water doesn't evaporate completely. Serve these immediately and enjoy. This was my first attempt making dumplings from scratch, and I can't wait to try different fillings next time. They're delicious, fun to make, and this bamboo steamer gift set makes the whole experience easy and enjoyable.